Ford Escape. These things is notorious. Let me get this hood up for the battery. Is it over here? Is it one of them ones? Yeah. They're notorious for the batteries failing. These and Chevys got one on the Equinoxes. The electrical system's really high demand, and even though they got these little bitty 1.5 liter engines with the turbo, battery is buried back in here. And these are the bolts. They're coarse threaded like a drywall screw, and a guy does not tighten them down. Whoop, yep, somebody's already been here. You just bottom them out. I can tell this car's been serviced before. Somebody's already stripped the stuff. All you're supposed to do is bottom them out. You do not tighten those air filter bolts whatsoever. Criminal design, 1, 2, 3. But I'm gonna change that battery out. Here we go. And boom, just like I was saying, man, I told the customer, I was like, if I ever done an air filter replacement, and sure enough, they just chewed through them all. That's how, anyway. Experience, it's the greatest teacher if I care to pay attention, man. See how that little rubber thing is smushed up, been smushed up? They come from the factory like that. But anyway, that experience, yeah, man, I learned, like, I don't even have to learn from my own experience. I can learn from the experience of others, but they come from the factory like that. They're supposed to set down in there. I'll put some old KY for cars, some dielectrical silicone lube. I'll put that on a lot of these things. It makes it easier to get it in and out, not just for me, but for the next guy. Did you catch that? Nothing says fun like Ford. Battery replacement in these newer vehicles. It's, you know, old Dodge Chrysler puts them up underneath the wheel well. They shoehorned them back in there. I don't know, just in my mind, like, I believe there could have been a better way. I really do. Now, I ain't got you the old AGM up in there, and of course the date. That always helps with the warranty stuff. Yeah, just moving on with this. This is great. Just moving on. Alrighty, my man, there you go. Battery's all well and hid and protected. Yeah. Let's start her up and try her out, see what happens.